Just a quick update. Just wanted to show you guys the charcoal that was made on the farm there. This is a few bags of it. What it looks like. Looks like burnt wood, right? That's a leaf right there. These are big old bags full of the charcoal. These big overstuffed rice bags. Kind of shady and sunny here, so hopefully you can see it decently. Not quite for sure what the price on each one of these are, but I'll try to find out. I just wanted to give a little update. This is 5. I'm pretty sure that they probably made more than this. Not for sure where the rest of it went.
So they had 30 bags, 30 sacks, and Papa gets the 10. So it's 1/3, 2/3 sharing. So one owner got 1/3. And Papa got 10 sacks.
So, and then they sell for how much per sack?
Regular
in
price
this area?
250 to 280 pesos.
Per sack.
Yes.
Yeah. And then, so he's already sold 5 sacks of it.
Yes.
Somebody already bought 5 sacks.
Yeah.
And then this is the other 5.
Yep.
And then, the people that made it was like a neighbor farmer kind of thing,
Yes,
and they
yes.
stayed with the
They
fire.
stayed 2 to 3 days, the processing.
Right. Well, we said it takes about 5 days to make.
Yes.
On average. So they did all the labor and stuff, and Papa just supplied the place.
Yeah.
So
Here you go, guys.
So there's charcoal business in the Philippines.
Yes.
This is just an update on it.
If you guys are interested, just give us a comment there, message us or something. We can make some more of this.
We can make it happen.
Yes.
If you need a supplier, we can hook it up.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and comment down below. And that's it. And subscribe if you have not. Bye. See ya.